Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some basics of CapCut. Just going to add a background here, and I'm going to add this on. Add text. Type in whatever text you want. And you can also select whichever font that you want. You can also select the text here, and you can add some preset styles, some bubbles, some effects to it, some animations to it as well. Here. And then to group some like clips, just select everything, right click, and then select group. Then to mask videos, you're just going to select this video, go to mask, and add mask, select whichever one you want. You can even mask text now. I'm just going to select this. You can also feather it out here. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!